I seek protection in Allah from the cross Shaitan. I bear witness that none is worthy but Allah, the one alone without partner, and I bear witness that Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the servant and messenger. Indeed, Allah and His angels send blessing upon the conveyor of the unseen news, i.e. Prophet Muhammad. O believer, you too send blessing and abundant salutation upon him. Allah's name to compense with the most gracious, the most merciful. And when they meet the believer, so they say, we have believed. And when they are alone with their devs, so they say, we are with you. We are only mocking the Muslim. In return, Allah will punish them for their mockery, and He gives them respite to wander about in their rebellion. They are those people who purchase error in exchange for guidance. Thus, their trade did not bring about any profit, and they did not even know the way of trading, i.e. the way to attain guidance. Their example is like that of the one who kindled a fire, so when it lit up all around him, Allah took away their light and left them in darkness, so that they do not see. They are deaf, dumb, blind, so they are not to return towards guidance.